Hi friends, this is VS Rao from VSR Tech Info. I wish you Happy New Year to all my friends and subscribers through this video. This video is on laptop battery health doctor. In this video, I will be showing 4 free applications or apps that can be downloaded from the internet to check the battery health of a laptop. I feel this is essential as laptop user does not bother to check the health of the laptop battery. Let us go into the details. Do you pay attention to your laptop's battery? If no, then this video is for you. The laptop battery is an essential piece of hardware, yet we often ignore it and are less informed about its health. Your Windows laptop will not give you enough information about battery health. On the taskbar, it just displays a tiny battery indicator with the remaining time and percentage. Over time, you will notice a few battery errors creep in. The battery stops holding its charge. The charge level indicator shows fluctuating readings. A wrong discharge estimation is also common. But there are workarounds and solutions. Third-party battery diagnostic tools that allow you to check the battery health in laptops. These third-party diagnostic tools are the software tools or apps available over internet in paid or free versions that need to be installed in laptop to monitor battery health. Here in this video, I have shown free versions. Why you should monitor battery health? A battery is a portable chemical device, lithium ion, lithium polymer with limited resources. By its nature, battery has a complicated voltage response to the load, temperature and its own age. The health of the battery affects both device performance and runtime. You should monitor the battery health for these reasons. To know the efficiency of battery under different workloads and environment, the maximum capacity of a battery changes over time. As a result, the charging indicator might show you inconsistent readings. When this happens, you will know when to calibrate the battery. Incorrect use of the battery can cut short its lifespan. Monitoring battery health enables you to take corrective steps to increase longevity. It can help prevent other issues like your laptop not charging when plugged in. The first app is Battery Info View. This is the screenshot I have taken, and the bottom is the link to download this software. I will also give this link in the description page for you to download this app. This screenshot shows the battery name, manufacturer name, serial number, manufacture date of the battery, the power state of the battery, current capacity in percentage, current capacity value, fully charged capacity, design capacity, battery health, voltage and etc., which includes battery temperature also. Battery Info View is a free app that is filled with information about your laptop's battery. The tool has two primary components. The first screen gives you complete battery information on design capacity, full charge capacity, battery health, number of charge discharge cycles and more as shown in the previous screen. The second screen provides you with detailed log analysis of power state, event time, charge discharge values and more. A new log line gets added whenever you suspend or resume the computer. You can also export the battery information to a TXT or CSV file for your reference. The second one is Battery Mon. Battery Mon, in short, it is battery monitor. The screenshot shown here is the Batterymon application, and the download link is as shown here. This is also a free app. Batterymon features: diagnose problematic battery cells with detailed statistics, compare and measure your battery performance with expected discharge rates, find the critical discharge point for your batteries, uniquely identify battery packs for tracking purpose or system inventories, log the performance of a battery for later reference. Batterymon is an easy to use app that monitors laptop battery charge level by presenting a graph of its finding in real time. The vertical axis or y-axis displays the percentage charge level, that is 0 to 100%, and sampling time on the horizontal axis or x-axis. You can change the sampling time interval in the configuration screen. The black line shows the current charge level. The blue line shows the trend line based on the extrapolated samples of data. And the red line shows you a comparison against its lifespan. For a short duration comparison, the red line will deviate more than the normal. You can also get minute details on the discharging rate. The discharging rate will become more accurate as you keep using the app, and you will understand how battery health is deteriorating with the different working loads. The screenshot is taken the Batterymon's mini Windows mode. This red bar indicates that the battery is discharging, and the green bar indicates that it is charging. Number 3. Battery Care. This app is downloaded from the internet using the link shown below. The screenshot shows Battery Care. Detailed information which shows model, design capacity, total capacity, current capacity, charge and discharge rate, and the voltage and the wear level of the battery, total discharge cycles. And the Battery Care settings: general, notification, power plants, advanced. Notification screen is as shown here. Here you can change the recommended battery calibration, number of cycles, and you can also select temperature settings of the CPU and hard disk as per your desired settings. This is also a free app. Battery Care features: batteries discharge cycles monitoring, complete battery information, CPU and hard disk temperature readings, automatic power plants switching, control over Windows Aero, that is graphics accelerated themes and demanding services, notification area information, auto updates, lightweight in the system. Battery Care is a simple tool to optimize the performance and usage of your laptop battery. With its built-in algorithm, you can track the charge and discharge cycles. When your battery completes a definite number of discharge cycles, it recommends you to calibrate the battery. And when you complete the calibration process, it remembers the last calibration date, number of calibration operations you did, and more. The main window of the app shows all the detailed battery information like design capacity, full charge capacity, tension or voltage, wear level, and total discharge cycles. It also monitors your CPU hard drive temperature. Number 4. BAT Expert, that is Battery Expert. This is a simple app shown on the screen, and the download link is as given below. This app is very simple to use, and it shows the status of the battery, voltage levels of the battery, and the power state of the battery, that is charging or discharging, and the time duration in minutes. It also shows the manufacturer of the battery with the name of the manufacturer, serial number, and the date, and chemistry of the battery here shown lithium ion. The health or the wear of the battery is shown here. 46% is the health of this battery. It also indicates the temperature and charge cycles. BAT Expert features: clear laptop battery manufacturer data decoding, charge status, current usage or current rate, battery type, that is chemistry of the battery and temperature, estimated time left before low level warning, user friendly interface, internationalization support. BAT Expert is a straightforward application that targets users in need of simple means to visualize the status of a laptop battery. The information it provides covers the most important aspects of the battery, such as current status, voltage, manufacturer, etc. The first indicator is related to the current status of the battery and its charge level, followed by information regarding voltage, power, identifies if the device is currently charging or discharging, manufacturer, chemistry, that is, it detects the type of technology it runs on, for instance, lithium ion, lithium polymer, etc., and health, in percentage, where lower value indicates questionable well-being. In addition to these, the program also displays indicators regarding temperature, charge cycles, and remaining battery time. However, note that some of the parameters may not be fetched if they are not made available by your battery, like temperature, etc. BAT Expert, despite being simple, shows you some of the most important characteristics of a laptop battery, letting you know if it is in good condition or needs replacing. Should I remove the battery when AC, that is mains, is plugged in, is a question. Many users have this question in mind while using laptops. The answer depends on the situation. Having a battery fully charged and the laptop plugged in is not harmful, because as soon as the charge level reaches 100%, the battery stops receiving charging energy, and this energy is bypassed directly to the power supply system of the laptop. If the laptop is currently suffering from excessive heating caused by the laptop hardware, it's disadvantage to keep the battery in its socket when the laptop is plugged in, as heat is a great enemy of the lithium battery. The battery memory effect. In lithium based batteries, memory effect is in fact a myth. It only applies to older nickel based batteries, that is nickel cadmium cells, etc. So fully discharging and charging the lithium battery is completely useless and even harmful. The modern lithium battery can be charged regardless of its current percentage. It has absolutely no negative effect in its performance. Battery discharges. The screenshot shows normal level 25% and 5%. Normal level is shown in green, and in orange it is not recommended level, and red is harmful level. Full battery discharges should be avoided until laptop shutdown, that is 0%, because this stresses the battery a lot and can even damage it. It is recommended to perform partial discharges to capacity levels of 20 to 30% and frequent charges instead of performing a full discharging followed by a full charging. Discharge and charge cycles consist of using all that battery charge, that is 100%, but not necessarily all at once. For example, you may use the laptop for some duration in a day, using its half capacity, then fully charge it. If you did the same thing in the next day, it counted a discharge cycle and not two. So it may take several days until a full discharge cycle is completed. Monitoring the battery health of your laptop device is not a simple task. There are too many variables and factors which you need to consider. With these tools, you can at least monitor its health and take corrective measures to prolong the battery life. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like VSR Tech Info.